Hello everyone, welcome to IT and Research Accelerator. My name is Mildred, and on this channel we explore practical IT skills, embedded systems, programming, cybersecurity, and research guidance in a simple and beginner-friendly way. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Tinkercad account and prepare your environment for Arduino and embedded systems simulation. This tutorial is especially useful for beginners, students, and anyone interested in learning embedded systems without needing physical hardware components. So let's get started. First, you're going to open your browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser of your choice. So for my case, as you can see, I am going to use Google Chrome here. So you will open the browser, and depending, for me I have different profiles. So after you've opened this browser, then you will go in the address bar up here where we search from. And in the address bar, you type www.tinkercad.com after you press enter on your keyboard. Tinkercad is an online platform. It was developed by Autodesk, and this platform allows users to design, simulate, and test electronic circuits virtually. By virtually, we mean online. So this platform is very important for beginners in embedded systems because it allows us to simulate circuits before working with real physical hardware. Something to note, with Tinkercad, you can be able to create Arduino projects, test sensors, connect LEDs, wire those different connectivities, put those different LEDs, put the different test codes, troubleshoot errors safely on an online environment. So this in the end reduces costs and gives students practical experience even when physical components are not available. So to begin with, we first create an account, whereby you can see on this landing page for Tinkercad, we are having different options. The first one where it is showing us Tinkercad, you can read about it and you see we have the gallery, the learn, the teachers, the resources. But here on the top right corner, we have the login and the sign up. So you will notice that when you come on this sign up, there are different account creation options. First of all, they'll first find out if you are an educator or you are a student just joining a class, or you're creating your personal account. So for simplicity, I recommend signing up using a Google account, especially for students. So you can just come here on create a personal account, you select and you continue with your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account yet, you can first create one before proceeding. After signing in successfully, Tinkercad may ask you to set up your profile, accept terms and conditions, or choose how you plan to use the platform. Simply just follow those prompts step by step. And if you already have an account, you just come here down where there is an option of I already have an account. And still, when you come here, you choose personal accounts, and then this time around, instead of asking you sign up with Google, they will ask you sign in with Google. That's if you use that option or if you use the email. But like I earlier mentioned, I recommend using your Google account. So for my case, I'll just do sign in with Google because I already have an account, and then I have to choose which Google account did I use to create this Tinkercad account. So when I select my Gmail, it will open like this. So we now have to explore the dashboard. after logging in successfully, like what you're seeing on my screen, this is the Tinkercad dashboard. From this dashboard, you can access different sections of this platform. For embedded systems and those different Arduino simulation, we may use the circuit section. But for others, you can be able to check around and see. For example, here, when you come and you see, we have classes, we have designs, we have the collection, we have the tutorials, we have the challenges. So for our case, we are going to do most with the circuits. So you can explore the platform and you check out all the different content. So here we are going to concentrate on circuits. So depending on the earlier versions, actually when you check out on what people upload, some resources and all that, you may realize that the interface may be different, but it's just updated. So when I come here on create, there are three options that are listed. That is the 3D designs, the circuits, and the code blocks. But like I said, for embedded systems, we are going to concentrate on circuits. So I'll click the circuits. And in the circuits, we can be able to create a new electronic project. We can be able to access the saved designs. For example, for my case, I have some designs that were already saved and are already existing. But if you're starting a new one and you've clicked, this is how it will display. To start a new project, you just go on circuit and then you click to create a new circuit. So this is our new circuit that has opened. A quick overview of the workspace. On the right side, you'll find electronic components. By right side, I mean here where the cursor is moving. All these are different electronic components. Electronic components like the LEDs, the resistors, the Arduino boards, the sensors, the wires, and many others. At the top, we have the simulation controls. Now, this is where we can start a simulation, stop a simulation, and test how our circuit behaves. One of the advantages of Tinkercad is that it allows beginners to learn through experimentation without damaging physical components. So, if you're new to embedded systems, do not worry. We shall be learning step by step from the beginner level to more advanced practical projects. In the next videos, we shall explore the Tinkercad interface in detail, the Arduino basics, the LED simulations, the sensors, and complete embedded system projects. So, for now, at least I believe we are all able to create an account to do the first basic navigations up to this point. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials on embedded systems, programming, cybersecurity, and research. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.